everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another look for my 14 Days of Love series. I know I'm behind, like I'm really behind, but I'm going to try my best to get the rest of the looks and videos out there for you guys. But anywho, this video is a number 12, and I decided to do a date night kind of look using the new Amrezy and ABH palette. So this was my very first time dipping into that palette, and I will be doing a review on it, so stay tuned for that. But along with this video, it is a collab. I decided to collab with my girl Bella Janae here on YouTube. So make sure you guys check out her channel. I will leave her channel link and video link down below in the description box. So please, please, please check her out. I will leave her social media as well. She's really, really talented. I just love her. I love her personality, her attitude. I am really excited to be collabing with her, and I really, 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 really plan on collabing with her again in the future. But anywho, that is pretty much it. I don't want to talk for too long. Let's go ahead and jump into this look. So as you guys can see, I've already done one eye off camera, and I like the way it came out. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to this one. So I am using the new Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So this is my very first time using it, and I am very, very impressed. As you guys can see, my eyes already primed. I used my Hard Candy concealer to prime my lid. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the shade Yawker. Y'all know. I could say it if I'm not thinking about it, but I'm going to use this shade as my transition shade. So now I'm going to go into the shade, I think it's Semsa, I don't know. But it's this real pretty, like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's a purple shade. I believe it's a purple shade. So I'm going to put that in my crease area. I'm not going to go all the way. I'm going to go right here. So I'm just going to go right here, build it up, and stop like this. So kind of how it's like a curve or whatever. I'm trying to make sense. Y'all know me. Now I'm going to do a half cut crease. So I'm going to cut my crease halfway. So I am going back in with my Hard Candy Glamoflauge concealer. And I'm just going to cut my crease halfway. Alright, so when it came to the lid color, I wasn't too sure. But I decided to go ahead and I don't even remember which shade I went in with. I think I went in with Cupcake, which is like this purple shimmery metallic. So I'm going to put that on my lid, and then I'm going to put Liddy. I'm going to put Liddy on top of Cupcake. So Liddy is like this kind of pressed glitter shade. So first Cupcake and then Liddy. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into that purple kind of shade and smoke out the end of this half cut crease. Oh, my contact is acting up and I'm hungry. So just going to smoke this out. They look similar. Let's make sure. Alright, so, oh, this contact. Y'all, if you wear contacts, you know sometimes they can be annoying. Alright, so I'm not going to do liner. I'm trying to get out of the habit of always doing liner. Okay, so not for this look, since this is more of a date night kind of look. I really don't want to do a liner. I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. You guys know the usual, L'Oreal. Now I'm going to apply my lashes, of course by Lash 7, but these lashes I have not worn yet. Never worn them in my life. So they're pretty long. So we're gonna see how these work once I can get them. So these are in the style Cash. So they look like this in the style Cash. Y'all, wait a minute. I need to switch out my contacts because I can't do. Alright, so as I was saying, I'm going to be applying my Lash 7 lashes in the style Cash. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes off. Alright, so I went ahead and applied my foundation, contour, and all that stuff. So now I'm going to be applying my blush. I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Rose blush. This is my first time using it. Now I'm going to be applying my highlighter. So I'm actually going to use two highlighters. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Kohl highlighter. Woo. Actually, you know what? Never mind, because another highlighter has broken and it's all over me. So we're going to leave that out. I'm going to use my Pixi Plus From Head to Toe Glowy Powder. This is in the shade Wednesdays. I have used this recently. So it's like this real pretty pink. And it's date night, so you know what? We really gonna get this highlight on and poppin'. I feel like I still need some pop to my highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the crayon case highlighter and just add a little bit on top. I said a little bit and I'm lying. Like, we really gonna highlight it up, okay? We gonna highlight it up. Now I'm gonna finish up my eyes. I'm gonna go back in with this shade and apply that shade on my bottom waterline, bottom lash line, whatever. And I forgot to apply a highlight in my tear duct. So I'm going to go in with, let's see, Anastasia. I'm going to go in with this one. and put that in the inner tear duct. Now I'm going to go in with my Pixi Endless Silky Eye Pen. So now I need to apply a lip, and I honestly have not thought about a lip. So let me figure out what lip and I'll be back. So I'm gonna go in with the Crayon Case Plump Colored Pencil, which is a lip liner pencil. Then I'm going to go in with the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout lipstick. This is in Razzle Rose, so it's kind of like a some mauve, like kind of like purple. I don't know how to explain it, but I think you'll look really cute. Did not know that my lips was a little chapped. So since my lips are a little bit chapped, I need to add some to take away that. So I'm gonna use my Pixi lip icing in Parfait. And here, oh, I need to spray. And here is the finished look. Sorry about my lighting, it's real crazy. But here is the finished look. Here is my date night look. So I really do like it. It's really cute. It's really pretty. Definitely date night type of vibes. Not too dark, not too light. In the middle. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Once again, do not forget to check out Bella Janae's date night look. We use the same palette, so be sure to head over to her channel and check her video out. And if you have not subscribed to her channel yet, make sure you do that as well. But anywho, if you are a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.